G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And what I've got here is the Wurth wood floor bonding adhesive. Now it comes in two sizes. We've got our 600ml bag or sausage and a 15 kilo tub. Now this adhesive is for, as it says, bonding timber floors to concrete. So you can bond parquetry floors, laminate floors and timber floors to the concrete. You can also glue your plasterboard and your skirting boards as well with it. So now let's go have a look at how it works.
Behind you. There you go.
So now you've seen the video, you would have noticed that I used it in the sausage and I was able to trowel it out. And it was fantastic the way it keeps its peaks. So I know when I spread it out, I get full coverage and my boards will remain, glued in place. Now, if I was to use it out of the bucket here, the good thing about the bucket is I can tip it out, so it's pourable, right? But then it's the same consistency as what came out of the sausage here. So I still can trowel it out and it'll still keep its peaks. So the technical stuff. Firstly, it's a silane modified polyurethane. So it's extremely strong, it's resistant to moisture, it's extremely flexible, and it's a soundproofing or deadener. It's solvent and formaldehyde free and it won't harm basic materials. So that's the Wurth wood floor bonding adhesive for your parquetry floors, your timber floors, your laminate floors, and don't forget your plasterboard and skirting boards. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and remember, at Wurth, we're ready for work.